I'm sewing the Audrey bomber jacket today and I'm changing the pattern. Just a little, at least that was the plan. But with sewing patterns, even a small change can ripple through the whole construction, almost like a fractal. And later in the project, I will realize something else as well. The order of construction matters even more than I expected. When I rediscovered sewing, I used to only mend things. I didn't really fully trust myself to make something from a pattern. Over time, I started following curiosity instead of control, and that changed more than just sewing. Today, I'm not only starting this jacket, I'm changing it in one of the trickiest places where the collar, neckline, and front opening zipper all meet. I imagined a change to make the jacket ideal for my favorite spot at the lake, where temperatures are warm in spring and summer, but winds can pick up quickly, and a covered neck after swimming or surf is just the thing I need. For this specific fabric, not only grain line matters, but also the direction of fabric as well. There is the strike texture to be considered, but also the fine hair that behave differently when pulled up or down. This can become a problem when one is short on fabric, like I am at the moment. At this point, I realize I actually need to get creative with the amount of fabric I have left. Otherwise, I won't have enough to finish the whole garment. Pattern doesn't only tell me what to sew next, it quietly shows me how the garment is built. And when I change one part, all those hidden connections suddenly become visible. So this is not just a jacket project. It's also a small lesson in construction and in what happens when I don't fully know the answer yet. My go-to method is adding a fabric strip for the back piece when I don't have enough fabric to cut the whole piece in one on the fold. One issue fixed. first fitting is not the finish. It's the project telling me what it needs next. In this case, I need to figure out how to conceal the front seams and connect everything neatly to the elasticated hem in one of the most prominent spots at the front garment. And when I don't find the solution right away, I often step away and work on something smaller. Something with one small change at the end, but no dramatic consequences. Like this Cami top, where I reused the ruffled straps from the original old tablecloth and made them the feature. And just like that, I get the satisfaction of a finished object. As for the jacket, it waves goodbye for now, and next week I can show you the result in a wearable spring outfit reveal.